Hey, good morning, banana pilots and friends. Out here at the school today, and I'm going to fly in this soccer field. Gary! Oh, I see friends of mine, old friends of mine. Anyway, I'm going to take off this way, and then I've got the goal there, goals down there, and over there, you know, and especially down here. I'm going to try to use this corridor right through here to land. As you can see, there's some goals there and then over there, but I should be able to miss those just fine. Anyway, we'll get this Corsair battery in and get the show on the road. And boy, I really got to remember to flare with my Corsairs. I get used to flying all these other airplanes, and then I go to land my Corsair and I don't flare. And I folded the landing gear on that last one. Kind of rookie error, I suppose. It happens. No big deal. Can always be fixed, I suppose. Okay. Get the helmet on and get everything. Well, I still need to change the differential, or the exponential and all that on this. It's got really high throws, but I've been flying it like that for quite a while, so I'll just leave it for now. Anyway, let's get taken off. This helmet cam on. Okay. And hopefully I don't have any mishaps. I had terrible takeoffs lately. The landing gear up and out of the way. Yeah, I can really feel those throws. I don't know, why is one landing gear not going up? That's kind of a first, and it's kind of crooked. Let's put the other one down, see what's going on there. Uh-oh, that's a bummer. Guess we'll fly with the gear down. I hope that's not too crooked. Yeah, it'll be alright. Well, it looks like it's turned a little bit though, huh? Well, you know, I got new gears at home, but that's kind of flying RC. I guess it looks pretty straight from here. No, it is crooked. Damn it. That sucks. As you know, that's gonna... Let's see how bad it is. Look at that, sun's bright. Well, if I can find a good, I guess I'm gonna have to be in a good landing spot, because definitely gonna fold the gear on this one. Let's see, how bad is it? That's weird. I wonder why it did that. Let's get some flap and see if we can slow this thing down and bring her in. Yeah. Well, that one gear I knew was going to be a bad deal, but didn't break anything at least. That's more like a belly flop. But now I got to see why my gear aren't working. I should have checked those before I flew. Anyway, glad I took the bombs off. And hopefully you can see that. Oh dang, I knocked the door off, but at least I didn't break it. Alright, let's fix this real fast. Get things back in order. I'm just leaving the camera on, but I don't know if you guys can see it or not because it's kind of, you're at kind of an upper angle, but there we go. Okay. Well, that's bizarre. Now they both work. Huh. Huh. Wonder why it wasn't working. Probably because I'm flying it. Well, I'm gonna fly it again because that landing sucked. And I'm sure I still got some battery power left. Alright, well, I don't know, the gear's working now. I don't know why it didn't before. But I do have new gear for this thing, so I'm gonna fly it again. And this time, hopefully, boy, this thing's starting to piss me off. It's like every time I go to fly, this thing used to be pretty flawless. Of course, my battery will be pretty well worn out. Okay, we're back up in the air. Look at those throws. Yeah, I think it's a little bit tail heavy, because I do switch batteries. That must be what it is, because I've noticed it's been a little difficult to fly. It's real pitch sensitive. Yeah, you see that? Real pitch sensitive, and it used to be a really rock solid flyer, so maybe the weight fell out of the nose cone when I dumped it that one day. Probably what it is. Whoa. Almost had a midair with a seagull. See, where's the best place I'm going to land this? I guess I can land it the same way. Oh, I hate these goals in my way. This is going to be a long video now. We'll come right in there. Sure, both my gears come out. Looks like they're good. Bring this thing through the obstacle course. I almost hit that one. I better try that again. Getting into stall speed here. Why this thing floats. Gosh damn it. I cannot get that right. But it's just too pitchy. Shit. Shouldn't be flying it like this. Probably took my bomb off again. Yeah, it's too pitchy. It just keeps going up and down like a roller coaster. And I cannot get it to square out where I get comfortable. Damn it. And there's a broken bomb door. And a bomb. I knew that came off. Yeah, oh well. God, I was flying this so well for the longest time. Never had a single problem with it. Now, yep, the weights are gone and it's just too pitch sensitive, and you can't fly them like that. But everything's okay. I think everything, you know, just a bomb door broke finally. Yep. Easy fix and replace. Clean this thing up. Yeah, got to get some weight back in the front. So anyway, it's fine. I did take a bomb door off, and I broke one of my bombs. Landing gear's fine. No bends, breaks, tears. We're good. All right, guys. Well, yeah, the weights came out of the front, and that might have been my bad when I painted the cowl. I think I don't even know. Maybe I just decided not to put them back in, but it's way too, it's tail heavy, so it makes it really hard to fly. All right, well, talk to you later. Hopefully I have a better flight next time.